Could Samsung be getting ready to surprise us with not one, not two, but three new foldable phones at the same time? That's what a lot of people are starting to think, and recent leaks and reports seem to back that up. We're talking about the next Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and a new one that might be called the Galaxy Z Flip FE, or maybe the Z Flip 7 FE. Either way, it's a more affordable version of the Flip series, and it's starting to catch people's attention. Even though Samsung hasn't officially confirmed any of this yet, reports from South Korea are pointing to production kicking off very soon, possibly as early as next month. This timing lines up perfectly with Samsung's usual summer Unpacked event, which is likely to happen in July. So if these reports are true, we could see all three foldables announced at the same time. Now here's where things start to get more interesting. A report mentions some early production numbers, and they might give us an idea of what Samsung expects from each device. Apparently, Samsung plans to make around 160,000 units of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in the second quarter. That's actually not a very big number. But here's the twist. The company is aiming to produce 170,000 units of the new Flip FE, which is a budget model. That means Samsung could be expecting more people to buy a cheaper Flip than the Fold 7. There are a couple of reasons why Samsung might be doing this. It could mean that they believe a lot of people are looking for a foldable phone that's more affordable, or it might just be a test run to see how well this new model performs in the market. Either way, the regular Galaxy Z Flip 7 seems to be getting the biggest push with 240,000 units reportedly planned. That shows Samsung still sees the standard Flip as the most in-demand option. Of course, all of this could change depending on how people react once the phones are out. If the Flip FE ends up being more popular than expected, Samsung might shift gears and increase its production. The company has done that in the past with other models, so it's not out of the question. When it comes to what's inside these phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be the first to use Samsung's new Exynos 2500 processor. This chip was originally expected to show up in the Galaxy S25, but it might debut earlier than planned. On the other hand, the Flip FE might use an older chip, possibly the Exynos 2400E. It's not the newest or fastest, but it could help keep the price down, something that's important for a budget foldable. Samsung is clearly trying to bring more attention to its own chips with this move. The company has been working on advancing its chip technology, and getting the Exynos 2500 out there early could be a smart way to test it before bigger phone launches. They're also moving toward a 2nm chip in the future, and this could be an important step in that direction. And let's not forget the design. One of the new models could come in a bold coral red color. That's a shade we don't usually see from Samsung, and it could help the phone stand out a bit more. We're not sure yet if it'll be for the Flip 7 or the Flip FE, but it's likely to get some attention either way. The Fold 7 is rumored to launch in 4 different colors too, though the names haven't been revealed yet. If you want to stay updated on everything Samsung has planned, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.